the hidden world of the internet. Welcome to today's episode. When you open your phone, type a search into Google, send a message, or watch a video online, everything feels almost instantaneous. You tap a button and something happens. Today, we're going to take a journey through that hidden world and explore what actually happens when you use the internet. Let's start with something simple. Imagine that you open your browser and type the address of a website. You press enter. Within a second or two, the website appears on your screen, but your computer has already completed several steps before you see anything. First, your device needs to figure out where that website actually lives. Humans are comfortable remembering names, but computers communicate using numerical addresses called IP addresses. For example, instead of thinking about a website as a name, your computer ultimately needs to know which server it should contact. This is where the domain name system, or DNS, comes in. You can think of DNS as the internet's phone book. Once your computer knows where to go, it can establish a connection with the server. That server might be located in the same country as you, or it might be thousands of kilometers away. Your request can travel through multiple networks before reaching its destination. And here's something even more interesting. It is broken into smaller pieces called packets. Each packet contains information that helps the network understand where it came from and where it needs to go. Eventually, they reach the destination server. The server processes the request and sends information back. Your device receives those packets, puts everything back together, and your browser displays the result. All of that can happen in a fraction of a second. Now think about how much information moves across the internet every day. People send billions of messages. Millions of videos are watched. Businesses process payments. Employees join video meetings. Students attend online classes. And almost all of it depends on infrastructure that most people never see. One of the most important parts of that infrastructure is the data center. But these aren't ordinary desktop computers sitting on someone's desk. They are powerful servers designed to operate continuously. Inside a large data center, you might find thousands of servers arranged in rows. They need electricity. They generate heat. They require cooling. They need network connections. And they need systems that can detect failures and keep services running. This is one reason companies spend enormous amounts of money building and operating data centers. When you upload a photograph to a cloud service, that photograph has to exist somewhere. This redundancy is important. If one machine fails, another can continue serving the data. If an entire building experiences a problem, another data center may be able to take over. This is one of the reasons modern internet services can feel so reliable. In fact, some of the most important internet infrastructure is hidden beneath the ocean. Thousands of kilometers of submarine fiber optic cables connect continents. That message could travel through a cable lying on the ocean floor. It sounds almost unbelievable, but this is a normal part of global internet infrastructure. Fiber optic technology is incredibly powerful because light can carry huge amounts of data at very high speeds. And despite the popularity of satellites, undersea cables remain extremely important for international internet traffic. Now let's talk about something you probably use every day without thinking about it: streaming. When you watch a movie online, your device usually isn't downloading the entire movie before you start watching. Instead, the video is delivered progressively. Your device receives enough data to keep playing, while additional pieces arrive in the background. This is why your internet connection matters so much when watching high-resolution video. A higher quality video requires more data. A 4K video can require significantly more bandwidth than a lower resolution stream. If your connection becomes too slow, your device may not receive data quickly enough. That's when you see the spinning loading symbol. They often store copies of popular content on servers located closer to users. These systems are known as content delivery networks, or CDN. Instead of sending every viewer's request to one central server, a CDN can deliver content from a nearby location. That reduces distance and can improve performance. Now imagine millions of people trying to watch the same popular video at exactly the same time. Without systems like CDNs and distributed servers,